Is this the best car show in Westchester? Let's find out. We are out here at WestChester Cars and Coffee, and let me tell you, the lot is packed. The first thing that caught my eye was this insane roof 911. Take a look at this V12 Lamborghini Aventador. I will never be a Corvette guy, but this C8 Z06 was really nice. And this is why I won't. I mean, why would you put a steering wheel lock at a car show? I mean, what are we gonna steal it? Anyway, we have a beautiful WRX, a Chevy SSR, a classic Volkswagen Bug, a Rabbit Edition GTI, even more Corvettes. Get the jean shorts on. I don't even know what this is, but it looked good. Oh, and another Corvette. Truck, is this wrapped? Or is this the color? Comment below. Oh, look at this Mark III GTI. And it has a VR6. Oh my. Back in the Z, and that show did not disappoint. All for more.